This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change a single slide's color in Google Slides. Let me jump over to Google Slides here. Okay, I have Google Slides opened up now, and I just have some blank slides so far. To change the color of a single slide in Google Slides, first thing you want to do in the pane off to the left hand side here, you want to select the slide that you want to change the background color on. Say that I want to change the background color on this second slide. I will select it. Then I will go up to the top up here where it says background, and I'll click on background. Now in this dialog box that opens up here, right next to color, you want to click the little drop down over here. Now you could choose some standard colors here. You can choose from this color picker down here, or you could click on custom here and you could choose a hex color, or you could use this hue selector here. You could slide the little arrow, say that I wanted this color right here. I'm going to click right up here. Now I'm going to go down, I'm going to click on OK. And if you wanted to add this color to all of your slides, you would click on Add to Theme, and that will change the color on all of your slides. But for just a single slide, all you'll do is click on Done. Now as you can see off to the left hand side here, my second slide, I have changed the background color on it. The other slides are still the same. That is how you change the background color on a single slide in Google Slides. Thanks for watching.